I've been a civil servant for more than 2.5 decades. I was economic advisor to the then Union Finance Minister. And one fine day, I thought that I had had enough with the government. I wanted to pursue my own dreams of research and teaching and sharing my understanding of what I've learned in this world with students. So I took voluntary retirement about 8 years ago, and I joined the Jindal School of Government and Public Policy. And one of the objectives why I did that was to prepare a report which I call the India Public Policy Report. I actually wanted to create a mirror for our policy makers at state level, at the national level, to see what they are doing as of now and how they could improve their pathways to delivering public goods and services more effectively with the larger objective of improving human well-being in the country. So this project, which I steer in my school, the Jindal School of Government and Public Policy, is basically trying to conceptualize the notion of policy effectiveness. And then it uses data from a whole lot of diverse sources, including the Census of India, the National Sample Survey Organization, administrative data, and so on and so forth, in order to put together a quantitative measure, which I call the Policy Effectiveness Index. This book has, the first report of this study was published in 2014 by the Oxford University Press jointly with our university, and it is available on our website. The interesting thing from the study that comes out is that our perceptions that we acquire from picking up information here, there, and everywhere do not necessarily square up with reality. And policy making has to be done in response to the reality that we see around ourselves. So some of the states which we think are doing well actually don't fare so well on this measure. I've also been sharing this work with several state governments over the last few years, and invariably I meet a sense of the unexpected when they see the reality as depicted in the study does not square up with our perception. So the larger objective of this project is to create a platform where information could be provided in an accessible manner to all the stakeholders in the society, which includes civil society, the government, people like you and me, who have to understand the major policy concerns of our times, and in our own ways provide the required inputs that come from our unique perspective into making better policies and therefore have better results in our country as we move forward into the 21st century.